I think I told the story the first time I was on your podcast, so I won't go through the whole thing again, but I didn't know I wanted to do personal injury when I went to law school. And I got a job with a personal injury lawyer the summer after my first year. And he had me working that whole summer on this case. It wasn't even an injury case, right? It was two guys who owned an antique store and it burned down and they lost all their inventory and the insurance company denied the claim. They said, no, we suspect it's arson and you didn't have a good record of all your inventory. So we're giving you nothing.
Yeah.
And so I spent the whole summer like getting to know these guys and they're not connected. They didn't know anybody. They didn't have a lot of money. They ran an antique shop in Greenwood.
Yeah.
And so I worked with them going through old photos and recreating an inventory. And we worked with like a forensic fire inspector who went in. He wrote a whole report saying, no. It was a 100-year-old building with like bad wiring. And that's what caused the fire. And then we put together this big packet and sent it off to the insurance company saying, like, you guys need to pay.
Yeah.
Or else we're going to sue you and win. And I went back to law school and kind of put it out of mind. And a couple months later, I got the call that the insurance company gave their full like $1 million policy based on the work that I had done that summer.
Yeah.
And these guys were able to basically reacquire inventory and reopen the antique store. And like it changed the work that I did with them and getting to know them changed their life.
Yeah.
Right, because they had nobody on their side. The whole system felt like it was geared against them. And from that moment on, I was like, I want to do this. Like, I want to help people when they don't know where to turn and the insurance company keeps telling them no. And like, they don't have a voice. And to be their voice, to advocate for them and change their life for the better.